How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can quickly recover your deleted messages on Messenger. First of all, what you can do is open your Messenger app and then see if the messages have not been deleted but rather archived. So for that, go on the menu that is on the bottom right and then check on archive. Sometimes the messages that you thought have been deleted might be in your archive. But if it's not, what you can do is go to your Facebook Help Center, that is the settings on your Facebook. Under Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. And then in Account Center, you'll see More in Account Center, tap on it. You find Your Information and Permissions, tap on it. And then tap on Download Your Information. Tap on Download or Transfer Information. Now here type on Specific Types of Information and you'll have to tap on Messages. Go to Next and then choose to download to device or transfer to destination. If you tap on download to device, it will be downloaded to your iPhone. If you tap on transfer to destination, then you'll have to select a destination, which can be your Google Drive or your Dropbox. And you can also choose how often do you want it. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.